In this video, we're going to be using number lines as a strategy to help us add two-digit numbers. The example I'm going to use in this strategy is 24 plus 65. And now I'm going to put my number lines in. Our first step is to find our starting point. And in this example, it's going to be 24. Now, 24 is between 20 and 30, and it's a little bit closer to 20 than it is to 30. So I'm going to put my starting point just here. Then we're going to break 65 into some smaller parts to make it easier to add. 65 has 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 65 has 6 tens and 5 ones, I might do it this way. I've broken it up into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. When we use our number line, it's going to look like this. 24 plus 10 is 34, plus another 10 is 44. I'll write these in as we go. Plus another 10 will be 54, plus another 10 will be 64. So we've got 4 tens, 5 tens to 74, and 6 tens takes us to 84. Now we just have to add this last 5 ones, which will take us to 89. That's one way we could find our answer, 89. So what other ways could we do this? We could put our 65 back together. We could break it up this way. 50 plus 10 plus 5. 50 plus 10 plus 5. Once again, we find our starting point, which is again 24. Just a little bit closer to the 20 than the 30. And then this time we're going to do a jump of 50. Now, a jump of 50 is going to take us to 74. So it's going to take us to just here. Plus 50, 74. Then we have to add a 10, which will take us to 84. And then we have to add the last 5, which again will take us to 89. Same answer. As I mentioned before, it's really good to see some different ways that we can do this. So in the next example, I'm going to show you another way. This time, I'm going to break the 65 into 60 plus 5. And we could show that as 60 and 5. Same number, just broken apart differently. Once again, our first step is to find our starting point, which is 24. And then we're going to add 60 to it, which is going to take us to 84. Plus 60. And then we have to add just our 5 ones. That's going to take us to 89 again. So you can see whichever way I choose, I'm going to end up at the same answer. Could I do it in a different way? Yeah, I could. There's so many different ways that you can do this. This is just 3 ways that I think are useful. Hey, thanks very much for watching. If you'd like more help with this or any other maths concepts, you can visit my website, links in the description. and I will see you in the next video.